know we've been doing a lot of stuff for the junkyard dog back there, but it's things that need to be done, and it's content for you guys to watch. There is other stuff coming up, but for right now, we got a few things we have to go look for. We got to look for a fender for a Scion XA, a 2008 Scion XA for my wife's coworker, and that's a side job for me. And we got to look for a few things for that guy. So let's get to it. Oh look, it's what's left of Herbie's girlfriend. Herbie must have beat the hell out of her. Damn, she looks beat up. Think so? Got his tools. Alright, come on, tool kid. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. Two of them side by side. What do you think about that, buddy? What do you think about this for a project car? This isn't necessarily one of the most desirable Camaro bodies, but you could do something with it. I like this one with the T-tops, just because they're T-tops. Woo. Alright, so we made it to our first stop. This is an old Chevy 2500. I need that dude right there. This rim and tire has got to come off of here. So let me get it off of there, and we'll get back to you. Yep, it's just a sea of automotive parts awesomeness. We were like way over there, and we're trying to look for that Saturn XA for my wife's coworker, but we're not having too much luck out here, so we're just gonna keep looking. Look at this old Mazda 323. That's kind of a blast from the past. I used to have one of these. The body's not in bad shape. Looks really good. Interior don't look bad. And it's all intact, really, for the most part, because nobody drives this shit anymore. Look at there. 5-speed manual transmission. Oh yeah, I remember that. That car was awesome. I loved it. Alright guys, so we're out of there. We got what we came for. Unfortunately, we didn't find any Saturn XAs in there this time. I did get some inside information though, that they're going to be changing their inventory around. They swap it out every 45 days, and they got some new inventory coming in, some complete trucks. So maybe I'll be able to get a long bid for old junkyard dog over here. Let me turn you around and let me show you what I got for really cheap. All right, so I got tire and rim for 15 bucks and a new fuel door for $5. But look at the tread on that damn tire. Oh yeah, I knew when I saw this thing on that truck back there I wanted this thing. There is one spot on it that looks pretty messed up. There's a couple of spots like this right here where the chunk of the tread's missing, but it's holding air. It's full of air. I think it's a pretty damn good idea to grab an extra spare tire if you're in the junkyard, especially if they got that good a tread on them. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah, baby, there she is on the truck. Fresh from the boneyard, new on the truck. Outstanding. Alright guys, so we're out of here.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're not already.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.